we're the History Hikers. I'm Dries.
And I'm Jente.
And we are still in Kastel-Staadt, as you can see. Come join us as we now check out the Roman and Celtic remains.
Woo! That's a theatre with a view. Once upon a time, a large settlement of Celtic Treverians was located right here in Kastel-Staadt, on the rocky spur high above the Saar. It was an important center for trade, crafts and public life, one of the first town-like settlements in Central Europe.
With the arrival of the Romans, the town lost its importance, but continued to exist as a small settlement or a vicus with an important sanctuary. Though the entire plateau has been an archaeological research zone for a while, it was only in 2006 that researchers stumbled upon the remains of a gallo-roman theatre.
The theatre was built into a scarped plateau spur and was originally made out of wood. Around 300 AD it was rebuilt in stone. Behind the stage area, a wide view of the valley opened up, which we can still enjoy today. The theatre comprised around 35 rows of seats in a semicircle and had room for up to 3,500 spectators. This is about as many people as the theatre in Champlieu, one of our older videos. To find out more about the Roman settlement in Champlieu, you can follow the card in the top right or the link in the description.
This was the Roman theatre at Kastel-Staadt.
Like, comment, subscribe and all that good YouTube stuff if you want to see more of these Roman escapades.
And we want to thank you, audience, so much for watching.